Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss full review for the current electricity. It is especially for 10th standard, those who are preparing for the board exam. It's a short time review I'm going to give. Okay, I'm going to cover with all the topics which one is related to the electricity for especially CBSE 10th standard. Okay, so current electricity, we should know the main definition will be the current and the voltage. The current is the rate of flow of charge. So I is equal to dq by dt you can write. Otherwise, I is equal to Q by T. So, I is the ampere, the charge SI unit will be the coulombs, the time SI unit will be the second. In case in your exam, they ask define current. Okay, current is defined as the rate of flow of charge. Current is defined as the rate of flow of charge. The SI unit of current will be 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulombs per second. The another thing, potential. Potential and potential difference. So potential is the voltage. Voltage is equal to work done per unit charge. So potential is the work done per unit charge, bringing from one point to another point. In case the charge is bringing from one point to another point, we can take it's a potential difference. The charge is bringing from infinity to one point, we can take it as a potential. Okay, I will review again. The potential is defined as a work done per unit positive charge, bringing from infinity to one point, we can call it as a potential. The one point to another point, we can call it as a potential difference. Okay, the SI unit of potential will be volt only. The work done SI unit will be joule. The charge SI unit will be coulombs. Okay, so as we learned, current is a charge per time. Voltage is the work done per unit charge. Okay, so here we learn two definition. One is the current is the charge per unit time. Another one is the voltage is the work done per unit charge. Okay, the another explanation I'm going to give is what is Ohm's law, what is ohmic and non-ohmic resistance. Okay, so Ohm's law states, Ohms is a scientist, Simon is a scientist, he is related current and voltage. Okay, so current is directly proportional to voltage at constant temperature. Okay, the temperature we should maintain as a constant. The current is directly proportional to voltage at constant temperature. The applied potential difference is directly proportional to the current. So V is equal to, I am removing this directly proportional, you should include the constant. Here constant will be the R. Okay, so V is equal to R times of I. So V is equal to IR also we can take it. Okay, Ohm's law states voltage is directly proportional to current. So R is equal to V by I. R is the resistance, V is the voltage, I is the current. The SI unit, the resistance SI unit will be ohms, volt SI unit will be V, current SI unit will be ampere. Okay, in case in your exam they asked state 1 ohms. 1 ohms is defined as 1 volt per unit ampere. Current is flowing per unit ampere. Okay, so R is equal to V by I. The another thing, factors affecting resistance. So the first factors, resistance is directly proportional to length. In case the length of the wire is increased, okay, the length is increased, the resistance is going to be increased. The another thing, resistance is inversely proportional to the area. If area increase, the resistance will be decreased. The another thing, temperature it's increased, the resistance also is going to increase, because all the molecules is going to start vibrate, the resistance is going to increase more. And it's the nature of the material. So it's a good conductor have less resistance, bad conductor have the more resistance. Okay, these are the 4 factors. Length is directly proportional, area is inversely proportional, temperature also somewhat it's directly proportional. If temperature increase, the resistance will be increased. Nature, it's a good conductor have less resistance, bad conductor have more resistance. Okay, so I'm going to explain again with the circuit how the resistance is going to behave. So one more thing, what is resistance? Resistance is the obstruction offered by the wire. The resistance symbol we can draw like this, okay? So resistance, it's an obstruction offered by the wire. The SI unit of resistance will be ohms. Okay, so see here, V versus I. V is directly proportional to I. So ohmic graph. So we can take it. This is which one is going to obey the Ohm's law. Non-ohmic graph, which is not going to obey the Ohm's law. See, V versus I. So V always you will take it x-axis. I will be taken as a y-axis. So both is directly proportional means you will get it as a straight line. The slope of the graph.